I have never slapped a boy in my life except for my brother. There is no particular character that I wish to portray. I just want to push myself to do justice to whichever role I am offered. It is different because Greyhound was promoted pan-India and audience from all over the country watched it. It was obviously a very different feeling and a different kind of success. The Punjabi film industry is fairly new and needs all the support it can get. I'd be doing all sorts of odd jobs and traveling the world, let alone if I wasn't an actress. Even now, if my films stop doing well and people stop liking me, I'd go do odd jobs, like a waitress or something like that, and save just about enough to see the world. When I realized I can actually lift and drop someone, I was convinced I have become stronger. I have no filmy background. I think down south, the film industry has the most hardworking, passionate filmmakers. As an actress, I am eager to explore different characters. My daddy was hospitalized because of COVID, and my cha-cha, a doctor and brother, also tested positive. In Bail Manchi Roju, I had to wear a sari and dance, with makeup and styling as a bride. I have a Punjabi film Nikka Zaildar too, directed by Simranjeet Singh. It is a 1970s drama set in Old Punjab. There are two heroines. I play Sawan, a teacher. Whenever there used to be any audition in Chandigarh, I would go for it. The writer in my dad is someone whom I've been inspired greatly by since my childhood. Punjabi is a growing industry, and we need to be more professionally aligned with other industries. Even in college, guys didn't look at me. It's not every day you get to play a wrestler. The experience of playing one in Goda has made me stronger, and it has given me immense confidence. These days, I ask anyone I meet if I can do a wrestling move on them. Tavino is an amazing co-actor. I was born and brought up in Chandigarh. Obviously, I feel it is important for women as well as men. Learning any kind of martial arts will help them when faced with atrocities. There are many incidents where men are also attacked. While training is important to fine-tune one's skill set, in my case, the exhaustive theater experience and the grind of rehearsals ensured an easy transition into different roles. I never thought I was beautiful. Wamiqa means the goddess of wind. My dad is a poet and writer in Punjabi, and Gabbi is his pseudonym. My father is a writer, and he always made sure that I watch all the plays that were happening in the Tagore Theatre in Chandigarh. I don't discern between OTT and theater because this is incredible work that I chose to do. I make sure my lip sync is correct. It's a long process, but I enjoy it. If you don't know something completely, you tend to have a misconception. After Ishq Brandy, I was either not getting good scripts or not good characters. I don't want to be the one dancing behind the trees and getting my stomach pinched. Whatever I have been doing in regional cinema is restricted to the region. At the end of the day, I will always be proud of what I have done. If the vibe between two actors is not good, it shows in the work, so it's very important that everyone in the cast and crew is supportive to each other. In Godha, I was a Punjabi girl and had Hindi, English, and Punjabi dialogues. I believe that OTT platforms definitely have helped neutralize the budget debate in the industry. Instead of only casting A-listers in the lead, makers are now more receptive and willing to try out newer actors for their big, multi-million projects. I trained for a month and learned all the basic moves at a wrestling school in Amritsar, Punjab. Wrestling is pretty easy. I didn't even tell any of my girlfriends that I was doing a film with Prithvi Raj because they would have wanted to come and see him. Imagine a bunch of Punjabi girls with an unsuspecting South Indian boy. Being a non-athletic person, I had to strengthen my core, arm and leg muscles before learning the wrestling moves. It is very satisfying to see people praising you and your character, and the journey of the character moved them. It gives you a lot of confidence as an actor. It may sound very cliched, but seriously, since childhood, I always wanted to be an actress. I acted in a Punjabi serial Dil Diyan Gallan when I was 8 years old, and after that I was among the top 5 participants in a dance show judged by Amir Khan. I am just so glad to be a part of the industry right now, where everyone from across the country want to collaborate with each other and tell really beautiful stories. My sense of cinema improved slowly as I started watching South cinema, got to know that cinema is much appreciated here. Every night, I sit with an assistant director and learn my dialogues. All I knew about Malayalam cinema prior to Godha was that it is an industry that celebrates content and has an audience that appreciates it. Stage phobia never touched me. I was naturally drawn towards the spotlight. I am from Chandigarh, and while my friends wanted to pick up a proper job in the corporate world, I was dreaming of becoming a heroine. After playing such a strong character like Aditi Singh in Godha, I was keen to play strong roles in Malayalam. You can't discuss everything with a male director. As a Punjabi, I feel we need to buckle up with more discipline. I have acted in Tamil and Telugu, languages that were alien to me. It was then that I got the call to Malayalam. Like everyone, I also want to do something different. I want to do good films with good content. I am not selecting projects based on language. I trained in wrestling under Master Ashok Kumar from Amritsar for 1.5 months. In fact, my dad has a significant role to play in shaping my opinions and value system. It may seem that I am doing films in different languages, which of course I am, but more importantly, I am performing different characters and every character has so much to teach. It makes me happy that I am associated with so many film industries. Whenever I am sad, I paint. I do that whenever I am happy too.